This is called a foam roller. It looks a lot more fun than it actually is, but it can help us to both get our muscles ready for a workout and help us to recover and enhance what we've gotten from our workout. Let's see how it works. So the foam roller is an amazing piece of equipment that can help us to give a self-massage. One, to help us recover, or two, to prepare the muscles for hard work. A couple cautionary notes though. First, if you have a particularly tight muscle, that's a great muscle to foam roll before your workout. But you don't want to foam roll loose muscles before your workout. For instance, if your glutes have a hard time activating during a squat, foam rolling your glutes before your squat is not going to help you get much more activation out of them. The other thing that you should know is foam rolling after a workout is actually a very powerful way to boost recovery and increase blood flow. So, foam rolling after a workout, always a good idea. Foam rolling before a workout, let's be intelligent about what muscles we foam roll. So right now, I'm foam rolling my hamstring. There's two ways I can get this done. The first way I can get it done is I can roll it kind of like bread dough. I can start at the place where the muscle starts, that's called the origin of your muscle, and move toward the place where the muscle ends, that's called the insertion. And doing that's great. It can help with blood flow, it can help my leg be a little more flexible during my workout, and also help me to recover from hard things maybe that I did yesterday. The other way that I can work on my hamstring here is I can find a place where it's tender. And that means my muscle's tight and my nerves are overactive. So when I find a place that's tender, I can use my other leg to increase my weight here and really sit on that for a second. It's not very fun, but it's good for me. So I'll hang with the pain for about 20 seconds. When you're done with that, what you'll notice is your hamstring is a lot more flexible afterward.